Okay. Hello guys, I will be your teacher for today and I am Miss Ella. So for our class, this is for first year um, accounting and IT who is taking up Visual Basic .NET na subject. So our lesson for today is all about introduction to Visual Basic. So if I'm not mistaken, before you have tackled VB6, the Visual Basic 6.0. So ito yung upgraded version lang ni Visual Basic 6.0. So let us discuss first the following. So I have here different logos. So we have here the JavaScript, we have the Java, we have the C#, we have the C, we have the Python, PHP, we have the Perl, we have here the Apple, and lastly, we have here the logo of the Microsoft Visual Studio. The Microsoft Visual Studio is the environment that we are going to use to create a Visual Basic .NET application. So, ano nga ba ang programming language? Because all of this logo symbolizes the different programming language. So, ano nga ba ang programming language? So, it is a computer language programmers use to develop applications, scripts, or other set of instructions for a computer to execute. It also can be used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine and or to express algorithm precisely. So, programming language, pag sinabi natin programming language, it is all about algorithm. Ano ba ibig sabihin kapag sinabi nating algorithm? Kumbaga sa mathematics, di ba? Sa mathematics, meron tayong tinatawag na PMDAS. Ibig sabihin, ang uunahin is yung nasa loob ng parentheses ng PMDAS. PMDAS. This is for the math. Okay? So, kapag sinabing PMDAS, uunahin niya nasa parentheses, susunod multiplication, division, addition, and last yung subtraction. Sa computer or sa programming language, meron din tayong tinatawag na algorithm. Kasi itong PMDAS ay algorithm siya sa math na subject. Ang algorithm naman sa programming language is that ano yung una. Kumbaga sa flowchart, we have to start make a start. So, pag nag-start ka, ano yung una mong gagawin? Mag-i-initialize ka ba? O magpa-process ka kaagad? Mag-i-input ka ba? Mag-output ka ba? Or what? So, ganon. Okay? So, that is computer or programming language. Next. Ano nga ba ang Visual Basic.NET? So, in the different terminologies that we are going to encounter, let us discuss it first. First one is the word CGI. Ano ba kapag CGI? It means Common Gateway Interface. Ano ibig sabihin ng COM? It means Component Object Model. DLL, that is the Dynamic Link Library. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. GUI, Graphical User Interface. .NET, it is a programming framework created by Microsoft that developers can use to create application more easily. And we have the word basic. Basic is not just a word, but it is an acronym. That is why naka-all cap siya. It means beginners, all-purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. So, pag sinabi natin basic, it means beginners, all-purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. Okay, so those words will be, ay ma-encounter natin as we go on. So, ano nga ba ang Microsoft Visual Studio? Like what I said a while ago, pag sinabi natin Microsoft Visual Studio, ito yung software na gagamitin natin para makapag-create ng .NET program. Okay? Medyo nahirapan lang ako magsulat. .NET. Okay? So, to create a .NET programming software, we are going to use the Visual Studio that is created by Microsoft. Okay. So, we have here, pag sinabi natin Visual Basic.NET, it is a high-level programming language that is designed especially for Windows. Remember, kung ang C++ is a high-level programming language, actually, Visual Basic.NET and VB6 is also a high-level programming language. Paano sila naging high-level programming language? Paano nasasabi na high-level programming language ang isang programming language? Is it because if it is an English-like language, it is therefore a high-level programming language? Okay? English-like. For example, if x is greater than 0, SOP or system.out.print hello world. Okay? So, that is an English-like language. Unlike kapag mga old version ng programming language, mga low-level programming language, it uses binary numbers or different kinds of logical expressions. Okay. So, Visual Basic.NET was developed by Microsoft Corporation and the Visual VB 7.0 released in 2002. Yung VB 7.0 ay tinawag na VB.NET during year 2000. Okay? And the developer of VB.NET are John G. Kemeny and Thomas E. Kurtz in 1963. Sorry, it was developed or they developed the BASIC. Okay? Sila nag-develop ng BASIC. Because BASIC is the ancestor of Visual Basic 7.0. So, meron tayo iba't ibang klase ng version ng Visual Basic. The first one is the VB 1.0. It was released in 1991. The Visual Basic 2.0 released in 1992. VB 3.0 in 1993. VB.0 released in 1995. VB 5.0 released in 1997. And the VB6 was released in 1996. Hanggang dito yung VB6. Okay? This is the current version na ginagamit ng non-Microsoft software programming language. Okay? VB, Visual Basic 6.0 is a non-Microsoft programming language. Hindi siya gawa ng Microsoft. Pero since nga free, libre ang VB6, nakagawa ngayon si Microsoft ng Visual Basic.NET which is called VB7 and it was released in 2002 by the Microsoft Corporation. Okay? Nagkaroon din tayo ng VB8 and it was released in 2005. The VB9 that was released in 2008. And the Visual Basic.NET VB10 which is released in 2010. Okay? So, ito yung gawa ng .NET. Okay? Simula rito, ay ginamitan na nila ng .NET framework because it was made up of the Microsoft Corporation. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung other version from VB1 hanggang VB6, wala siyang .NET kasi hindi siya gawa ng Microsoft Corporation. Okay? Since ito, ginamitan na ng .NET, inangkin na siya ni Okay? Then we also have the VB.NET 11. It was released in 2012. The Visual Basic.NET 12, which is released in 2012 also. The VB.NET VB14, released in 2015. And VB.NET VB15, released in 2017. So here is the Visual Basic.NET environment. So meaning ito yung GUI niya. The Graphical User Interface. Ito yung makikita ng programmer, which is you. You are the one who is going to create a program using VB.NET. So ito yung IDE niya. So the first one is the toolbox. So si toolbox, it is composed of pointer, buttons, checkbox, combo box, ayan, drag and drop lang yan. Ida-drag nyo siya papunta dito. Next is the Form Designer window. So, itong kulay gray na to, kasama tong Form 1 na yan, ayan si Form Designer window, which is, dito kayo magda-drag and drop ng button. So, pag kinlik nyo si button, madadrag nyo siya papunta dito, magkakaroon siya ngayon ng button dito. Okay? Ito yung nakikita ni end user, which is the GUI. Anong ulit ang GUI? The Graphical User Interface. Okay, the next one is the Solution Explorer. Wait lang. The Solution Explorer. The Solution Explorer is composed of the Windows application, which is the solution, the project name, and yung form. Okay? Next, we have the standard toolbar. This is the standard toolbar. Ayan. The standard toolbar is composed of shortcuts. Ayan, sorry. Ito yan. Yan. Yung mga yan. Shortcuts. We also have here the debug. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng debug? We have here the shortcuts for the tools, the solution, the properties window, and many more. We have the menu bar. The menu bar is composed of file, edit, view, project, field, etc. hanggang kay help. Then we have the properties window. So si properties window, we have here the form, name, and the other properties of your objects. And lastly, we have the output window. Dito makikita yung errors, warnings. Example, nag-declare ka ng variable, di mo naman ginamit, papasok siya sa warnings. Tapos nakakita siya ng errors, lalabas yung dito sa errors. Okay? So those are the different parts of Visual Basic.NET IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So we have 7 parts of VB.NET IDE. Ulitin ko, we have the toolbox, toolbar, menu bar, solution explorer, form designer window, properties window, and output window. Okay? So for today, that is yun na lang muna. Next meeting, I am going to give you a quiz. Okay, that's all. See you next week.